Today's video, going to be replacing this low pressure line for the AC system. And the reason why is there's a pinhole leak that they tried covering it up, and since they had the pinhole leak, the system is not pressurized. So I ordered the part, so now we can go ahead and remove the line. 10mm down at the compressor. You're going to hold the lower side since it's fixed, and you're going to just work on the B nut. Here's the old one. And here you go. You can compare your old one and new one. The line comes with the new one. Now we'll go ahead and put the nut on. You don't have to go crazy on the B-nut. The O-ring is a sealing surface. The nut is just to retain it together. It's not the B-nut that's actually doing the sealing. So now with that on, we can put our bracket on. Now your line's on. Now we can put the gauges on and pull the vacuum. Low pressure line on. Same thing with the high pressure. Valves are open. Yellow line comes to your vacuum pump, and let it pull a vacuum. We're going to let this go for about 30 minutes, let it pull a vacuum, all the moisture out of the whole system, and then we'll go ahead and charge it up. With the vacuum pump still pumping, you close it off. Once you close these off, you can go ahead and turn off the pump. You can bleed the vacuum right here. With the supply line, you're going to need an adapter for the 134. I know from experience, the can is about like 3 ounces and some change. Each can holds 12 ounces of refrigerant. Now we got to bleed this line. Calls for 17.6 to 19.4, so you're gonna need 1 can because it's 12 ounces, and then the remaining 4 to 6 ounces. So we'll go ahead and let the system charge. And there you go. Now we got working AC, and that's how you replace an AC line on these Civics. Hope this video helped y'all. You have a good one.